I'm Mariam and I'm thrilled to welcome you to a game-changing learning experience. Today we are delving into the realm of data analytics and visualization using Excel, Python, statistics, and more. In this comprehensive course, we are building a robust foundation for your journey into data analytics. From Excel mastery to Python prowess, and from the art of data visualization to the magic of statistics, we have got it all covered. Let's take a sneak peek at what you are going to conquer. We will dive into Excel's functionalities, harness the potential of Python for data manipulation, explore Tableau for immersive visualization, and build a strong foundation in statistics to understand and interpret data. But why data analytics? Well, my friends, the demand is staggering. In this era of big data, companies crave skilled analysts. And what's more, the salary packages, well, they're not just numbers, they are the reward for your expertise. The world of data analytics is dynamic, and the rewards are quite promising. Embracing these skills does not just open doors, it paves the way for a rewarding career. Now let's talk about the benefits of this course. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to upskill yourself, our content is designed for seamless learning. We have included a treasure trove of resources, quizzes, and assignments to ensure that you grasp each concept thoroughly. Who should enroll in this course? If you are passionate about data and want to turn it into actionable insights, this course is tailored for you. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone who is just inquisitive, you are in the right place. Now let's explore some features. This course is not just about theory, it's about practical application. You will work on real-world projects, owning your skills and gaining hands-on experience. The visuals are crafted to enhance your learning, making complex concepts an absolute breeze. So are you ready to kickstart your journey into data analytics and visualization? Click the Enroll Now button and let's embark on this adventure together.